नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् एतावता अस्माभिः कर्मविधायकानि सूत्राणि अस्माभिः अधीतानि। तेषु कर्मसंज्ञाविधायकानि कानि कानि सूत्राणि अधीतानि तद् वदन्तु एकवारं। तत्र किं किं सूत्रं कर्मसंज्ञां करोति?
कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म. Then there is another one, akathitancha.
अकथितञ्च इतोपि एकं
I don't
युक्तं चानि तथा युक्तं चानिप्सितं। प्रथमं सूत्रं किं वदति? कर्तुः यत् इष्टतमं वर्तते, इप्सिततमं वर्तते, इप्सिततमम् इष्टतमं, मोस्ट डिजायर्ड, इष्टतमम् इति अपि अपरः शब्दः, तस्य कर्मसंज्ञा भवति इति अर्थः। द्वितीयं सूत्रं पठितं, तथा युक्तं च अनीप्सितं, यद् अनीप्सितं भवति। अनीप्सितम् इत्यस्य अर्थद्वयम् अस्माभिः कृतम्। एकः अर्थः द्वेष्यकर्म, यत् कर्ता कर्तुं न वाञ्छति, न इच्छति। बलात् यदि कश्चन करोति, विषं भुङ्क्ते, विषभोजनं तस्य इप्सितं न, किन्तु यदि कश्चन तं बलात् भोजयति चेत् तत्र तु तस्य अनिप्सितकर्मणः अपि कर्मसंज्ञा भवति। द्वितीयः अर्थः उपेक्ष कर्म, ग्रामं गच्छन् तृणं स्पृशति, तत्र तृणस्पर्शम् उपेक्षकर्म वर्तते, अनिप्सितं वर्तते, तस्य अपि कर्मसंज्ञा भवति बाय तथा युक्तं चानीप्सितम् इति सूत्रेण। तृतीयम् अधुना सूत्रं वयं पठन्तः स्मः, तदस्ति अकथितञ्च। अकथितञ्च इत्यस्य कः अर्थः प्रतिपादितः? तत्कर्म यत् अपादानादि विशेषैः अविवक्षितं वर्तते, it is not told by apadana etc., then it is going to get karma संज्ञा। अपादानादि विशेषैः अविवक्षितं कारकम, it should be karakam, then it is going to get karma संज्ञा. So we had seen various examples. Let's see again and then we are going to move to next sutra. So Ashtadhyayi krama you should remember, we have been studying कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म, तथा युक्तं चानिप्सितं, अकथितञ्च. Then next sutra is going to come, that which is गति बुद्धि प्रत्यवसानार्थ शब्द कर्मा कर्मका अनिकर्ता सनौ. Big sutra we are going to study. Thereafter रुकुरोन्यतरस्यामि etc. कर्म संज्ञा, कर्म कारकम we are going to finish. Okay, now akathitancha. So here there was first example, गाम दोग्धि पयः, गोपालः दोग्धि, main sentence, gopala is karta, dogdhi is kriyapadam. So ishtatamam is dupayah, we can actually add dugdham shabda if there is a difficulty to understand payah. पयः दोग्धि अथवा दुग्धम दोग्धि। कस्याः दुग्धम दोग्धि इति प्रश्नश्चेत् गोः इति षष्ठी विभक्ति अपि आगन्तुं शक्यते। यदि विशेषणम् अथवा तत्र संबंध प्रदर्शनं यदि क्रियते तदा षष्ठी विभक्ति अपि आनेतव्या। यदा तत्र अपादानं विवक्षितं कर्तृद्वारा, इफ आई वांट टू से ही मिल्क्स फ्रॉम काउ, दोहन, he does दोहन क्रिया, or he gets milk from cow, that would be correct, translation. He gets milk from cow. If I am desiring to explain apadana, I am going to put goho iti panchamyanta form. It depends upon me. If I want to show shashti vibhakti, I can use gopalah, goho payah dogdhi. and I don't want to explain either Shashti Vibhakti Sambandha or Apadana. I am going to get Karma Saujna by this sutra. Akathitancha. What it says, when Apadanadi Visheshaihi Avivakshitam, when I don't want to explain through Apadana etc. But still Karakam is there, that Karakam is going to get Karma Saujna. So that's how this first sentence works. Okay, Gopalah Gam Dogdhipayah. So here Gam Pada is going to get Karma Saujna. And when it gets Karma Saujna, there is some another sutra we have already studied, Karmani Dvitiya. So whatever Karakam is getting Karma Saujna, that Karakam is going to put into Dvitiya Vibhakti. So Karmani Dvitiya is common sutra. When Karma Karakam is understood, then we can put that Karma Karakam into Dvitiya. Okay. Is that clear, this example? Then we had seen another examples. Vamanaha balim yachate vasudham. Vamanaha yachate. Vamanaha Bhagavan Batu begs or asks. What he asks? Vasudham yachate. So Vasudha becomes Mukhya Karma because it is most desired object. And by Karturipsita tamam karma, by this sutra, it is going to get Karma Saujna, and Karmani Dvitiya, it is going to be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Similar way, if that whoever has written this sentence, if he emphasizes on Dvitiya Vibhakti, he don't want to express Apadana etc., then by Akatitamcha Sutra, Balipadam is going to get Karma Saujna. Then when it gets Karma Saujna, Karmani Dvitiya Sutra comes, and that Padam is going to be put into second case. Similarly, third example, Pachakah Tandulan Odanam Pachati. Odanam is most desired object, so it is going to get Karma Saujna by Karturipsita Tamam Karma, and from or through which he cooks Odanam Tandulaihi, we can say either Karana Karakam, or if Karakam is not Vivakshitam, that time Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tandulan, Bahuvachanam. Okay. Similarly, you can see this example. We will just read Raja Gargan Shatam Dandayati. Gopalah Vrajam Gam Avarunadhi. Avarunadhi rokta hai. He stops there. Actually, Vraje, it should be Adhikarana Karakam. But if a particular karta don't want to express Adhikarana Karakam, don't want to tell Adhikarana Karakam, then again by Akatitancha Sutra, it is going to get Dvitiya Karma Karaka Saujna, Karmani Dvitiya by the Sutra. That Padam, Vrajam will be put into Dvitiya, Vraja Shabda will be put into Dvitiya Vibhakti. Saha Manavakam Panthanam Pritchati. Panthanam Margam Pritchati. Manavakaha is another name of person. There might be some Manavakam name. So it is there in Siddhanta Kaumudi. Same examples I have put here. I didn't change. We can say Saha Gurum Margam Pritchati. That way also we can put it. But it is going to be same. So there will be two karmas, Gurum and Margam. So most desired object is Margam. He wants to know Marga. From whom he can ask either Guru, Pita, Mata, whatever, Bandhu, etc. etc. So here again Manavakam becomes Karma Saujnyakam and it is put into Dvitiya. Similarly, Balaha Vriksham Phalani Avachinoti, Guruhu Manavakam Dharmam Brute Shasti, etc. etc. Raja Devadattam Shatam Jayati. Devaha Kshiranidhim अथवा देवदानवाः Kshiranidhim Sudham Matnanti. Ganaha, okay, Ganaha singular, correct. Matnati. Yajnadattah Devadattam Shatam Mushnati. Pashupalaha Gramam Ajam Nayati. Harati Karshati Vahati, etc. Then what is the difference between Nayati, Harati, Karshati, Vahati? So we have seen this. Till this, I think it is clear. If it is clear, then we will move to next sutra. Is there any doubt?
Can you quickly say what is mushnati mean? I forgot.
To steal.
To steal. Okay.
You can use either chorayati or mushnati. Where it is? Let me put here. Now there is going to be one line after this sutra, that is artha nibandeyam sognya. We have seen that karika. What karika? Duha, yacha, pacha, danda, rudi, prachi, chi, bru, shas, jimath, musham, karmayuk syat akatitancha, tatha syat ni, ru, krishvaham. There are 16 dhatus they have mentioned. Okay. Only those dhatus are not dvikarmaka. They are saying this pankti. They say, artha nibandhana iyam saudnya. Means what? If there is a dhatu, just now you said mushnati. Mushnati means what? To steal. If there is another dhatu like chorayati, that is also dvikarmaka dhatu. Similarly, they are giving example, balim bhikshate vasudham saha athva vamanaha balim bhikshate. In karika, bhikshati dhatu was not mentioned. There was a dhatu duha yacha. Yacha means to beg. But even bhikshate dhatu means to beg. So it is also vikarmaka dhatu. Another example, manavakam dharmam brute. Brute word was used. Bru dhatu means to say, to tell. So similar synonym if it is there, samana dhatu if it is there, like bhashate, abhidatte, athva vakti. These are three dhatus now. To say, bhashate, to say, abhidatte, to say, vakti, to say. Those dhatus also are dvikarmaka dhatus. So artha nibandhana saudhnya is clear, right? So whatever synonyms or similar dhatus are there, they are also dvikarmaka dhatus. This is clear now. Now we are going to move next sutra. Gati buddhi pratyavasana artha shabda karma karmakanam anikarta sano. Before that, I want to give some introduction to nijanta form. So there are main roots like pat, gam, chal, bhu, etc., etc. You know, there are various roots, you know, right? So when you add latadi pratyayah, vartamane lat, etc., etc., samanya rupam, you are going to get pathati, gacchati, chalati, bhavati, etc., etc. All dhatus you know. Samanya dhatu and shuddha dhatu, I have put two words. So these are samanya dhatu, you can say samanya dhatu or shuddha dhatu. These are main root. Okay. When you add nijanta form athwa nijanta pratyaya along with patha dhatu, then there will be some change. For example, patha dhatu, if you add nijanta form, it is going to change into pathayati. And meaning also changes accordingly. Okay, pathati to study, pathayati to teach. So that is the use of nijanta pratyaya. Okay, similar way, gacchati to go, and if you add nijanta pratyaya, it becomes gamayati, to make him go or her go, that way. Chala, chalati is samanya, shuddha dhatu. Chalayati is nijanta form. Bhavati to be. Bhavayati to making him or her to be. ठीक है. इत्यादीनि धातु रूपाणि भवन्ति कदा यदा निजन्त प्रत्ययः ऐड क्रियते. अस्तु. निच् अधुना अयं शब्दः पौनः पुन्येन अग्रिमे सूत्रे उपयोक्ष्यते. ते अस्य उपयोगं करिष्यन्ति. नि इति शब्दस्य अनिकर्ता सणौ नौ इति सप्तम्यन्त फॉर्म. अनि नाम नका निजन्तरहितम् इति शब्दप्रयोग इति कृत्वा निजन्त प्रत्यय इति शब्दरूपं स्मरन्तु अथवा नि इति पदं स्मरन्तु. नि नि नाम किं निजन्त प्रत्ययः हा इति स्मरणे भवतु निजन्त प्रत्ययस्य अन्ते भवति सः धातुः निजन्त धातुः इति कथ्यते यस्य अन्ते that which is endowed with nich pratyaya that dhatu is known as nijanta dhatu okay उदाहरणं रामः पठति अत्र पठति शुद्ध क्रियापदम for that there are going to be some words like it is not nijanta dhatu patati is not nijanta dhatu so they are going to use the word nyanta bhinna dhatu athwa anyanta dhatu so this word is going to be used it is not nijanta means what it is anyanta okay okay तस्य निजन्ते पाठयति रूपं भवति यदा तस्य निच् प्रत्ययः ऐड क्रियते तदा तस्य पाठयति इति रूपं भवति एतावता सरलम् अधुना इदं वाक्यं निजन्ते क्रियते चेत् रामः पठति इदं वाक्यं निजन्ते क्रियते चेत् अन्यन्ते यः कर्ता भवति अन्यन्त नाम किम् अन्यन्त नाम यत्र शुद्ध धातुः वर्तते न्यन्त भिन्न निजन्त भिन्न धातु वर्तते तस्य कृते अन्यन्त इति नाम इति शब्दः अधुना पुनः पुनः अस्य उपयोगं करिष्यन्ति इति अन्यन्त अथवा अनि इति शब्द प्रयोगः भविष्यति इसका अर्थ क्या है जो रामः पठति ये जो वाक्य है ना इस वाक्य का निजंत यदि बनाना है तो पूर्व का जो वाक्य था रामः पठति उसमें जो करता है अनिजंत भिन्न वाक्य का जो करता है उस कर्ता की क्या हो जाएगी कर्म संज्ञा हो जाएगी इट विल बी मोर क्लियर लेट्स सी एग्जांपल गुरुः रामं पाठयति दिस इज कॉल्ड अन्यंत वाक्यम दिस इज कॉल्ड न्यंत वाक्यम न्यंत इन द सेंस निजंत वाक्य इट इज अनिजंत वाक्य इट इज निजंत वाक्य इज दैट क्लियर yes no
I'm clear
yeah please respond ramah patati it is nich bhinna in the sense it is anyanta form anyanta sentence okay so whenever there is a anyanta sentence that karta will be it will get karma saujna in nijanta form दैट इज द रूल तो न्यंत भिन्न जो वाक्य रहता है ना उसका जो कर्ता रहता है उस कर्ता की कर्म संज्ञा हो जाती है कौन से सेंटेंस में निजंत सेंटेंस में निजंत वाक्य में नहीं हुआ क्लियर
स्पष्ट दूसरों से करवाना
प्रेरणार्थक यदा उपयोगः भवति तदा तस्य कर्म संज्ञा भवति अस्तु अधुना पुनः तत्र क्लियरिटी आगच्छति गुरुः रामं पाठयति रामः इति कर्ता आसीत् अधुना तस्य कर्म संज्ञा भवति कस्मिन् वाक्ये निजन्त वाक्ये गुरुः पाठयति गुरु बिकम्स कर्ता राम बिकम्स ऑब्जेक्ट कर्म ओके तो गुरुः एक्चुअली इज प्रयोजक कर्ता देयर इज अ न्यू concept प्रयोजक and प्रयोज्य now guru is prompter he is making him to study making him study right making him study and rama becomes prayojya you either you can say karma or you can use next new word prayojya karta okay now nich bhinne ramah patham patati another sentence I am going to add one more karma in this sentence ramah patham patati this is vakyam is nich bhinna vakyam there is no nijanta pratyay this is shuddha roopam shuddha dhatuh athva samanya dhatuh and ramah patham patati is samanya vakyam if I want to make nijanta form of this sentence it is going to be guruhu ramam patham पाठयति so rama was swatantra karta in nich bhinna vakya now if I want to make nijanta form that same Rama is going to get karma saujna. Regarding this, we are going to see this sutra, how it is going to get karma saujna. Now, let's see sutram. Gati buddhi प्रत्यवसानार्थ शब्द कर्म अकर्मकानाम अनिकर्ता सनौ. So let's focus on this part. Ani means what? Anikarta means what? Nich bhinna karta iti artham kurvantu. Nich bhinna karta. यह वर्तते सह कर्ता नौ नाम किम निजंत प्रयोगे कर्म संज्ञाम प्राप्नोति कर्म संज्ञकम भवति. अणिकर्ता यह अस्ति नाम सामान्य वाक्ये यह कर्ता वर्तते, शुद्ध वाक्ये यह कर्ता शुद्ध वाक्ये इति न, निच भिन्न वाक्ये यह कर्ता सह निजंत प्रयोगे कर्म संज्ञाम प्राप्नोति इति अर्थः. हिंदी में एक बार बताता हूं. अणि का अर्थ होता है जो निच भिन्न वाक्य है. निच भिन्न वाक्य में जो कर्ता रहता है उस कर्ता की कर्म संज्ञा हो जाती है. कौन से प्रयोग में? निजंत प्रयोग में. ठीक है, इतना ठीक है. अभी लेकिन इसके लिए नियम है. यदि क्रियापद गति अर्थक हो, बुद्धि मतलब जानना इस अर्थ में हो, प्रत्यवसान मतलब भक्षणम खाना इस अर्थ में हो क्रियापद, शब्द कर्म पाठम पठति श्लोकम पठति इन दी शब्द कर्म देयर इज अ concept I will explain later. अकर्मक धातु योनो, there will be big list, I will explain that. Along with these meanings that anikarta is going to get karma saujna in nijanta prayoga. This is the meaning of this sutra. Okay, now
Can you, sorry, can you please one more time tell me what is anikarta? I'm not able to understand.
Understand. Ni means what? Nijanta.
Yeah.
Ani, it is going to be nich bhinna. That which is not nijanta, it is called ani.
Okay.
So, that which is not nijanta, that is called ani. And if there is a karta in nich bhinna sentence, that same karta is going to get karma saujna. Where?
Okay.
In nijanta prayoga.
So like Guruhu Ramam Pathayati, that is Ramam is anikarta.
Anikarta. It was anikarta, it is going to get karma saujna because that is nijanta prayoga. Okay. Okay. Now, so let's see sutrartha. Sutrartha says गत्याद्यर्थानां नाम गति बुद्धि प्रत्यवसान इत्यादि अर्थानां तथा च शब्द कर्म का नाम. There is another वाक्य शब्द कर्म का नाम अकर्म का नाम, both are included in this padam. च anau. So now here it will be clear. See, anikarta means what? Anau. Anau means ni shabda, you know. Ni shabda if you decline, hari shabda if you decline, seventh case will be harau. In the similar way, if you decline ni shabda, it will become nau. Nau means nijanta. Anau means what? Nich bhinna. Nich bhinne प्रयोगे यह कर्ता सह कर्ता नौ नाम निजंत प्रयोगे कर्मस्य. इसमें क्लियर हो जाएगा. नहीं होगा तो हमें बहुत सारे एग्जांपल के देखने हैं. बहुत सारे एग्जांपल हमारे पास है. ठीक है. In the meaning of gati, gati means what? You can use gama dhatu, in dhatu, in gatau, gama gacchati, in eti. बुद्ध्यर्थक यदि धातु अर्थते नाम बोधयति, जानति, वेत्ति, this kind of dhatus. There will be various dhatus. प्रत्यवसान नाम what? भक्षणम, भक्षयति, अत्ति, खादति, अश्नाति, भुंक्ते. There are various dhatus. Along with that, शब्द कर्म, शब्द एव कर्म एषां तादृशः धातवः. पठति, पाठम पठति, श्लोकम पठति, गीतम पठति, etc. etc. There will be one example I will be explaining later. Akarma, akarmakam, you know. There are some dhatus which are sakarmaka dhatus. Another category akarmak dhatu. Third category we have been seen vikarmaka. Okay, so now whenever there is akarmak dhatu used in nijanta anijanta prayoga, that time same sentence if you want to translate into nijanta, that karta is going to get karma saujna. Okay, in the simple way, let me explain. Karta of the plain kriya will get karma saujna, where in nijanta prayoga. इस शॉर्ट में बताया, पता नहीं कितने में कितना क्लियर हो सकता है. ठीक. ओके, रामः पाठं पठति. So now here in this sentence, Ramah is anikarta. If you see sentence, anikarta means what? Anau yah karta, nijanta bhinna yah karta vartate. Sah karta, what it is going to happen with that? Nich pratyaya means causal form. How it happens, nothing to worry about. There is a swatantra prakarana on nijanta. Okay, so that Rama karta is going to get karma saujna in nijanta prayoga. That's what we want to say. Okay, guruhu ramam patham pathayati. Atra nijanta prayoge prayojya kartuhu karma saujna bhavati. Prayojya karta here is a Rama and prayojaka is guruhu. So now again sometimes prayojya karta shabda will be used. Prayojya karta shabda can be used rather than using anikarta. Anikarta and prayojya karta is same. Anikarta and prayojya karta is same. Okay.
I misunderstood then. So Ramah patham patati. Ramah is anikarta. I was thinking Guruhu Ramam pathayati. There Ramam is anikarta.
No.
That is not correct.
Ramah is anikarta and it is going to get karma saujna in nijanta pratyaya. That's it.
Okay.
Shall I move to next? 4 more minutes. Okay. Now let's see. Nijanta prayoga vishay kartrudvayam drishyate. Ekah adhuna prayojaka karta and prayojya karta. Regarding this we are going to see some rules. What is prayojya karta? Yah vastutah karyam karoti sah prayojya karta. Yah karyam karoti. Ramah pathati. Ramah is karya karta. That's how it becomes prayojya karta. But to do some work, if there is some prounter in the sense prayojaka, prounter you can translate as prayojaka karta. Yah kartaram karyam nirvartayitum athva kartum pravartayati, karyam kartum utsahayati sah prayojaka karta. The difference you should understand. One who does a karma, or one who performs action is called prayojya karta, and one who is making him to perform action becomes prayojaka karta. Okay, so let's see. Guruhu ramam patham pathayati. Here guruhu is prayojaka karta and ramam is prayojya karta. Okay, atra ramah prayojya karta, guruhu prayojaka karta. Similar way, next example, balakah bhojanam bhungte. Bhungte means to eat. Balakah is prayojya karta, samanya sentence, right? If you make into nijanta form, so it is going to be mataha, no, not mataha.
Mata.
Again. Okay. Mata balakam bhojanam bhojayati. Mata balakam bhojanam bhojayati. Here you have to understand. Mata is prayojaka karta and balakam becomes prayojya karta. Okay.
So in the sentence balakaha bhojanam bhunte, balakaha is still prayojaka karta or prayojya karta?
Prayojya karta.
Even there it is prayojya karta.
Prayojya.
So the person who prompts another person to do something is prayojaka karta.
Prayojaka karta. Okay. So now they are saying Sutrartha is what? So if you are making sentence in Samanya, if you are using or making Samanya sentence, whatever karta you find, whatever prayojya karta you find, athwa another word the term use anikarta. Anikarta means prayojya karta you use. That prayojya karta, that anikarta is going to get karma saudhnya in nijanta prayoga. That's it. So prayojya karta will be put into dvitiya. That's it.
So when we make the sentence Mata Bhojanam Pachati, so at that time Mata will be still Prayojya
Prayojya, correct.
or Prayojak? I didn't get it.
Mata, samanya sentence, whatever samanya sentence you make, if that kriya padam is not nijanta kriya pada, then that will be prayojya. Mata bhojanam pachati. If that mother is making her daughter or someone else to cook, it will be mata putrim अथवा पुत्र्या भोजनम पाचयति. Pachayati is nijanta form. Pachayati.
So whenever the ya vikaran will come,
not like that. There are nijanta prayoga is swarthe nijanta prayoga, and there is another hetu matau nijanta prayoga. So whenever this topic is regarding hetu mati, when it becomes prayojaka athva hetu, that time only we can use karma saudhnya. We can do karma saudhnya. Okay, there is only 1 minute. We are going to join again and record it again. Okay, we'll finish this topic today.